Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says, solve the inequality, this long inequality given to us. Now, for us to solve this, if we check, there's a fraction here, just one fraction, and it has a denominator of 3. So in order to make it simple for us to solve, we can multiply each term in this inequality by 3. So we multiply throughout all the term we multiply each of them by 3. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 7, and then this is x plus 4, and then minus 3 multiplied by, this is 2 over 3, and then you have x minus 6, and it's less than or equal to 3 multiplied by 2, and then you have x minus 3 into x plus 5, and then the bracket closed. Now with this, what you can do next is to expand brackets. So 3 multiplied by this is 21, and then I have x plus 4, and then this 3 we cancel 3. So what we have left here, we have the negative sign, and then we have 2 bracket open x minus 6, and then it's less than or equal to, this is 2 times 3 times 2 is 6, and then bracket open x. To open this bracket, negative 3 multiplied by x will give us negative 3x, and then negative 3 multiplied by positive 5 will give us negative 15. Then the next thing to do is to open up the other brackets again that are still left. So 21 multiplied by x will give us 21x. 21 multiplied by 4 will give us positive 84. And then negative 2 multiplied by x will give us negative 2x. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 6 will be positive. Don't forget, negative multiplied by negative is positive. So positive 12. And it's less than 6 multiplied by this. Okay. And let's reduce this x. X minus 3x will give us negative 2x. So these two combine to give us negative 2x, and then we have minus 15. So don't forget, so this 6 multiplied by negative 2x will give us negative 12x, and then 6 multiplied by negative 15 will give us negative 90. Then I can now collect terms in x. Let me bring the x term to the left hand side. So I have 21x here, 21x, and then this negative 2x is still here, and then this negative 12x, if it comes to this side, becomes positive 12x, and then less than or equal to, this is negative 90, excuse me, and then this is positive 84. If it comes to that, it becomes negative 84. This is positive 12. If it comes to this side, it becomes negative 12. 21x minus 2x excuse me, is 19x. 19x plus 12x will give us 31x. So that is 31x. Then, and that will be less than or equal to negative 90 minus 84 will give us negative 174. Excuse me. Minus 12x will give us negative 186. Now, to get the value of x, we simply divide both sides by 31. So divide by 31 and divide by 31. 31 cancel 31, and we are left with x on this side, and it's less than negative 186 divided by 31 will give us -6 as the final answer.